back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD. And on today's video, I'm now making this a series. I am doing our third look with the EYELINER Once palette, or the Once palette. So today I'm going to call this like a berry sunset type of look. Can't talk. What's new, right? Anyways, this is the look that I did create. I am actually this is like the third video that I've actually managed to get lashes on these eyeballs. I'm so excited. So anyways, if you guys are interested to see how I did create this look step by step, so if you do have this palette, this is actually a look that you guys can create with me, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you guys have asked me to put another look together with the Once palette, and I think what I'm going to do with the Needs palette is I'm going to create an eye look or two, maybe three, I don't know, with that palette as well for you guys. But today we are going to be playing around with these shades right through here as our main focus shades. I love doing these videos for you guys just for the simple reason as majority of the time when I get large palettes like this, I look at the shades and I'm like that. I'm just speechless because I'm like, I don't know what to do. And it's like overload, you know, short circuit. But I do feel with this particular palette, very, very inspired, as I had said in my very first video of using this palette. So I absolutely love coming back and recreating or creating different looks for you guys. So like I said, these Dues Paid, Love Tons, and Laugh Cry are going to be pretty much the three main focus shades, I believe, for today. I think I will probably dip into Cupcake as well, so definitely be expecting these three, potentially this one, and definitely this one to set the entire lid. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I did pick mine up at Ulta, and I know you can also pick it directly up off of their website, Makeup Revolution's website. This palette, you guys, is absolutely it's just been one of my favorites. Absolutely one of my favorites. So what I'm going in right now is setting, like I said, my entire lid with the shade The Cream. Then I'm going to move into, ooh, what to do. I think I'm going to go in with Laugh Cry, which is right down here. Sticking with a nice fluffy brush. This is a Morphe 576 brush, I believe. I've kind of rubbed it off. I absolutely love this mirror in here, guys. Definitely stamping the shade on. It's a nice pigmented shade. The one thing I keep repeating, and I know you guys, if you guys have watched my first two videos on this palette, the shades are so easy to build up on. If you have a heavy hand, if you are new to makeup, you're going to love these shades because it's not like one of those shades that are like pressed very softly that if you go in heavy-handed, you've just got like a big on your face and you're like, oh dear God, give me 10 years, I'll be right back after I blend. You don't have that problem at all with here. With these shades, I feel like they're definitely pressed a bit firmer than some of those other high-end shades or even some affordable brands that I talk about on my channel. And these are just so easy to work with. I'm just going to go in with a Luxie brush. This is a Luxie Tapered Blending Brush 229. Received it at in a Boxycharm or something. And I'm going to go in now with the shade Dues Paid. And I'm going to focus it a little bit lower on the crease, like so. Just kind of tapping and then lightly blending. I don't want to tug on the lid too much. And that just kind of deepens the crease just a little bit without being too like crazy bold or anything. So I'm going to take a little bit of that Dues Paid and look up and apply that underneath the eye a little. So now I'm going to go into Love Tons, and I'm really going to focus that right through this V right in here with more of a dense brush. This is a Morphe R39 brush. Seriously, I'm sorry, this mirror is so big, I'm just loving it. So if I'm cutting you guys off, I apologize. I won't know until I go back and edit. So like I said, I'm just going to be tapping it right in through here. I'm not going to buff it or anything just yet. Just packing that on. I mean, is that not beautiful? I want every ounce and every bit of that beautiful pinky shade. And the nice thing about it is, like, some shades of pink, you really have to be careful that it doesn't, like, just kind of give you that exhausted look. Like, you know, that typical look that all of us mothers have. Yeah. I don't feel like that accentuates it. I mean, granted, I did get good sleep last night. The husband did great on his lack of snoring. Thank you, Jesus. But I still feel like I have to be careful with certain pinky shades just because, you know, like I said, we are typically always exhausted. And I don't feel like this accentuates it at all. Alright, so no matter what, I always have one side that's higher than the other. It is what it is. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my finger and use the shade Cupcake and just apply it right through here. Now, I feel like these are best when you dab them, but also you kind of swipe at the same time. I'm sure you could probably wet your brush. I've not done that yet. I just always kind of dab and swipe. So just to give it a bit more of a pop, I am going to go into Oh Heavens with my finger again and kind of tap that on there a little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the Love Tons shade and use a pencil brush. And I'm going to apply that underneath. And then from there, I want to go back into, I think I'm going to do Laugh Cry right here and apply that a little bit underneath. I don't want to muddy them up. I just want to lightly apply it underneath. Now you guys know I sometimes bring my shadows a little bit lower just to help hide the little wrinkles and crinkles. Hey, you guys, I absolutely love this look. I'm going to hop off and I'm going to apply my mascara and some liner, and I'm actually going to be trying out some of this Monsieur Big by Lancome mascara. I don't know if I'm going to apply lashes today or not. I don't know. Haven't decided. I am going to go in with Dark and Early, and I will probably just kind of stamp this along my lash line here in case I do add any type of lashes. Not into that whole applying the, what is that called? This stuff. Liquid liner? Yeah, I'm not into that. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my liner and my lashes. I wanted to get more of those flutter lashes, but dear Lord, they're expensive. So I'm not about that life. So I found these Blowout Lash by Kiss. So I'm using those today. I think they're really nice and lightweight and fairly easy to apply. So anyways, let me go ahead and zoom you guys in so you guys can see the final look. I do want to tell you guys, I tried this Monsieur Big because I had honestly just planned on just going with mascara, but I didn't feel like it honestly did anything other than kind of tint the shade of my lashes, which was kind of a bummer. So let me go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see the final look. Okay, so this is the final look that I did create as the part 3 series of our Emily Edit the Once palette. I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. I didn't have any types of issues with it being patchy or anything, so let me go ahead, zoom you guys out, and we can finish chatting about it. Okay, so you guys know I absolutely love this palette. This is like a standard palette in my collection that is like one of my go-tos all the time, just because you can create so many different looks. I don't really know what to call this one. It's kind of like a berry sunset type of look. I feel like you can definitely wear this every single day. I hope I went step by step enough that if you want to recreate this look, you definitely can. And by all means, if you do, please make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter. And before I forget, let me make sure that I give my notification shout out to you guys. Now, if you guys don't know what the notification squad is, all you have to do is put down below in the comment section hashtag notification squad or hashtag Team Hot Mess, or just leave me a comment and I'll pick one of you guys to give a shout out to. So let me go to actually yesterday's video because you guys are going to see my Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette review come out. It's a tutorial and everything. And I actually forgot to give you guys a shout out. So my apologies for that. And because I messed up like that, I'm going to go ahead and give 2 shout outs today. So If you guys have seen that video, you're probably going, why didn't she give a shout out? That's why. I forgot. It was like a Monday, guys, so you know. Okay, so today's shout out goes to Makeup Junkie. Thank you, Makeup Junkie, for making sure to have your notifications on every time that I upload, and for leaving me a comment on my last Emily Edit the Once palette look. That was part 2. It actually went up yesterday. As you guys know, I always pre-film. I am going to go ahead and pick somebody else that commented on here. Looks like Cam Lynn. Cam Lynn, thank you so much again for having your notifications on. You guys, I truly appreciate it. She actually put a hashtag Hot Mess Squad and hashtag 7K strong. What that means, guys, if you are new to my channel, I have recently hit 7,000 subscribers. Once we hit 10,000 subscribers, I am going to do a large giveaway for you guys. I am so excited. So if you want to be part of the notification squad, make sure to hashtag notification squad down below, or hashtag Team Hot Mess. Leave a comment, whatever it is. Make sure you have your notification bell turned on as well, and make sure you are subscribed, so when I upload my 10K giveaway video, you guys do not miss out. So anyways, that is all for part 3 of the Emily Edit the Once palette look. If you guys want to see more, you guys know what to do. Leave a comment down below and let me know. I would be more than happy to keep creating looks for you guys. Like I said earlier in the video, I am going to be putting together the Needs look, or a look with the Needs palette. I think I'm going to do a couple different looks with that palette as well. So like I said, make sure you're subscribed. And if you'd like to see more of my content or the other 2 looks that I did do with the Once palette, then I will have some videos playing up around here somewhere. I'll also have my icon pop up for you guys. Just click on that so you can be subscribed. I think you have to click it like 2 times, or click the bell 2 times so you get all of my notifications. I do upload 5 days a week, all beauty related videos, Monday through Friday at noon Eastern Standard Time. And then on the weekends I try and upload 1 or 2 videos, either that are family vlogs or my keto low carb, I'm on a roll, guys, low carb journey. So like I said, make sure you're subscribed for that. And I'm pretty sure that's all my announcements, other than I do have my merch. I like looked down and saw my coffee mug. If you guys don't know, my uncle did create this little logo right here. I will have a link in my description box below for that as well, if you guys would like to pick up your own mug, hoodie, t-shirts, whatever it may be. And until next time, my friends, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye.